Present our skit presentation, The Spirit of Freedom. Now, the narrator, first narrator, my name Sare Jahan Se Aaccha, and second narrator is Promit Sarkar, our prime customer, our prime character, Jawaharlal Nehru, is Pritam Datta. Our Rani Lakshmibai is Samprita, and Vijay, our Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Srijan Goswami is Bhagat Singh, and Mahatma Gandhi is Sumit Lama, and student modern student 1 is Akash, and modern student 2 is Pritam Datta. Pradeep, right? Pradeep. Now today we celebrate our 78th Independence Day of India. As you can see, we stay here, freedom and proud. Now, let us remember our brave freedom fighters' sacrifices. Let's see the second narrative.
Let us go back into the time and witness the struggle of our freedom fighters. We see that Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nations, who led the country with his principles for non-violence and truth.
So the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the struggle of others, in the service of others. Right?
Find yourself. And there stood Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of our India, who dreamed about the freedom and modern India.
At the strokes of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. We dreamed of a nation where knowledge is free and every citizen lives with dignity.
There was a young soul of our India whose name was Bhagat Singh, who sacrificed his life for our freedom of our country.
They may kill me, but they cannot kill my ideals. They can crush my body, they won't be able to crush my spirit. Our love of nation is stronger than our fear of death. Inqilab Zindabad.
Rani Lakshmibai, the warrior queen who fought for freedom against our British.
मैं अपनी जर्सी नहीं दूँ. I fought not for my kingdom, but also by honor of my people.
Subhash Chandra Bose, who is a leader to take arms for freedom.
Give me blood, I shall give you freedom. Our fight was for the soul of India and for the liberty of our motherland.
And we like the free India and freedom India. Now we can introduce our modern student, what he think about the freedom.
We are the future of the nation. The freedom we enjoy today comes with the responsibility to uphold the values our forefathers fought for.
We must work hard in our studies, be responsible citizens, and contribute to the growth of our country. We are the torch bearers of the legacy of freedom. We pledge to make our nation proud and uphold the values of unity and cooperation.
the journey of freedom is continuing, and we can see we are freedom and proud of our country. Now we can celebrate this day every year. That's it.
Let us all pledge that we will make the India more beautiful, independent, and more beautiful. So we will complete our skit with the national song.